Hello and welcome to Krypted By Mcpotterfx. This series is dedicated to help you understand everything you need to know about the crypto market. So whether you're a person who's already in the crypto market or you don't know anything about the cryptocurrency market, this is the place for you to be. So on this series, we'll be covering topics related to what are cryptocurrencies, where can you buy your coins, where can you store them, where can you get these coins, and can you even make money out of this?
So you're going to make money. Exactly. We'll make more. We'll make much money.
So this growing industry has been trending very much on social media. So I'm pretty sure if you have an Instagram account or a Twitter account, you might come across things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, or Elon Musk, just to mention a few trending topics at the moment. But the question is that you usually ask, like, what are cryptocurrencies? So on this episode, we'll be covering every aspect of what cryptocurrencies is, the background, and where can you get started. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. So let's get into it. According to my Google search, a cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and recorded and maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than a centralized authority. So what this simply means is a cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for goods and services that the company provides. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which has had a lot of volatile price movement, especially this year in 2021, which it almost reached $65,000 worth a coin.
God! Wow!
But make no mistake, there are more than 10,000 different cryptocurrencies traded publicly according to CoinMarketCap. This is a market research website which lists almost all the cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies continue to profit and raise money through initial coins offerings called ICOs. The total value of all cryptocurrencies in June 6, 2021 was more than $1.7 trillion, down from $2.2 trillion according to CoinMarketCap. The total value of all Bitcoins, the most popular digital currency, was at around $335 billion, down from $1.2 trillion. So why are cryptocurrencies so popular? The reason cryptocurrencies are so popular is, first off, supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future and are racing to buy them now, presumably before they become more valuable. Another reason is that some supporters of cryptocurrencies write the fact that cryptocurrencies remove central banks from managing the money supply, since over time these banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. The other reason is also that supporters like the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, because it is a decentralized processing and recording system and can be more secure than traditional payment system. And lastly, some speculators like cryptocurrency because they are going up in value and have no interest in currencies' long-term acceptance as the way to move money. So, are cryptocurrencies a good investment? So, cryptocurrencies may go up and down in value, but many investors see them as mere speculations, not real investments. So, the reason why is that just like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow. So, for you to profit, someone has to pay more for the currency than you actually did. That's what's called the greater fool theory of investment.
You serious?
So somebody needs to buy a coin at a higher price than the one you actually bought from. So in the contrast, that to well-managed business which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. So with Krypted by Mcpotterfx, we tend to tell our people or our members that cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin may not be that safe, and some notable voices in the investment community have advised investors to steer clear of them. Of particular note, the legendary investor Warren Buffett compared Bitcoin to paper checks. He said, It's a very effective way of transmitting money, and you can do it anonymously and all that. A check is a way of transmitting money too. So are checks worth a whole lot of money just because they can transmit money?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So you need to also understand that this can be something to speculate on, and this is our strategy as well here at the Krypted by Mcpotterfx community. For those who see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currencies of the future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability so that merchants and consumers can determine what a fair price is for goods and services. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been anything but stable through much of their history. For example, while Bitcoin traded close to $20,000 in December 2017, its value then dropped as low as $3,200 a year later. By December 2020, it was trading at record levels again. This price volatility creates a conundrum. If Bitcoins might be worth a lot of whole in the future, people are less likely to spend and circulate them today, making them less viable as a currency. So why spend a Bitcoin when it could be worth 3 times the value next year? So the second question that people come up with is, how can I buy a cryptocurrency? Well, some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoins, are available for purchase with US dollars or any other currencies, normal fiat currencies. Others require you to pay with Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. So to buy cryptocurrencies, you will first need a wallet, an online app or a ledger that can hold your currency. Generally, you create an account on an exchange, and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and any other coin there is. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency trading exchange, but this cannot be available in other countries. So for example, here in Tanzania, you will require to have an account with a different exchange. The one that I use, or the Krypted by Mcpotterfx members use, is Binance Exchange. So with Binance Exchange, you can create both a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Also, a growing number of online brokers offer cryptocurrencies such as Hot Forex, KOTFX. A lot of other forex brokers are also allowing you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, but usually this comes down to margin trading rather than holding physical currencies. But if you want to buy and hold your currency, then you will need either a physical wallet or a ledger, or you will need an online wallet such as Trust Wallet. So are cryptocurrencies legal or illegal? There's no question that they are legal in other countries such as the United States, but countries such as China has essentially banned their use, and ultimately whether they are legal depends on each individual country. So for example, here in Tanzania back in 2018 and 2019, the Bank of Tanzania issued a ban on these cryptocurrencies.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Limiting traders from actually owning these cryptocurrencies. You can still do that, but still it isn't really legalized as a way of exchange. So really be careful, and remember, be sure to consider to protect yourself from frauds and scams who see cryptocurrencies as an opportunity to scam you or steal money from you. So like I said, with the coin market cap, there are almost 10,000 cryptocurrency coins traded publicly. So before you actually go and buy a certain coin, you need to do some research about it. So how can you protect yourself from buying an ICO that is not really launched yet? So first things, you need to understand who owns the company. An identifiable and well-known owner is a positive sign, but this hasn't really been the case because some people are paid to actually pump and dump a certain coin. For example, recently we saw Elon Musk pump Dogecoin, which has no real value in any sense, but then like these popular people or these actually influencers are influencing people to buy certain coins and then later on selling them or dumping them after they have made their own profits. So make sure whenever you are buying a coin, don't just buy it because of the hype, because everyone is buying it, because everybody is looking at Dogecoin or Litecoin or Shiba Inu, whatever the coin name is. Remember, there is something called the pump and dump. This is where people are pumped into buying a certain asset or a certain currency, and then later on people dump it. The real wolves dump the money or dump the coin, and leaving you hurt and crying with your wallet reading zero or negative. So should you buy cryptocurrency? Well, this can have two answers. It depends more likely on what you want. But here with Krypted by Mcpotterfx, we do not buy or hold any cryptocurrencies. What we generally do is day trade them. We trade their value. So whether it goes up in value, whether it goes down, we profit from it. We do not hold any physical coins. We do not hold any crypto assets in our wallets. What we just do is margin trade these cryptocurrencies, and I would largely advise people to also do the same, because you can actually make more money rather than buying a coin and waiting. Because I've tried buying a coin and waited months and months and months, and still the coin continued to sink and sink and sink. But when you are trading as a marginal trader in cryptocurrencies, you can make a lot of money in a very short period of time. Because for example, when Bitcoin was at $65,000, if you bought and held the coin, right now you would be reading like almost negative 50% of your investment, because people continued to buy at the all-time highs, and then the market sank, the market dipped.
Got him! Got him!
So instead, if you were margin trading, you could have still made a lot of profit, made a lot of money from selling the Bitcoin. You could have still sold the Bitcoin through margin trading. So we do not hold any physical coins, or we do not buy them and store them in our wallet. We just margin trade them. So this is our motto, and this is our way of trading these cryptocurrencies, because like I've said before, these cryptocurrencies are not really yet very stable, and for a currency to be accepted by the community or the society, it needs to be stable. But no coin so far has shown that kind of stability, and this is why this can be a speculative market. So I hope you enjoyed this part, and I hope you understood the basic concepts of cryptocurrencies. And until the next lesson, that's when we will cover in-depth analysis and understanding of these cryptocurrencies. So that marks the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and understood what cryptocurrencies are. So with the program Krypted by Mcpotterfx, we will be teaching you step by step what cryptocurrencies are. And if you're a member of the Mcpotterfx trading flow, you can get first-time access to this content. So enroll to the Mcpotterfx trading flow, and you will be able to get first-time content. You will also be able to trade alongside me these cryptocurrencies, whether it's a buy, whether it's a sell. The cryptocurrency alert will be sent direct to our Telegram channel and our members area of the trading flow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching it from YouTube, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the channel. The support means a lot to us. And if you're watching it from Instagram, don't forget to double tap and share it with your friend. So my hope you enjoyed this lesson, and more content will be coming on the Krypted by Mcpotterfx series. So until next time, cheers and happy trading, guys. I'll catch you on the next time. Bye.